Is Goku even more powerful than you are? I see. I thought one of you was special, but neither is.
Super Saiyans are supposed to be absolutely invincible! How did I get beat? It makes no sense. My power should stand second to none! I am the Saiyan Prince, the crowning pinnacle of my race! Becoming Super Saiyan should have cemented my place as the greatest warrior in the universe! Is technology superior to my strength? Am I limited by mere biology? No! I am Vegeta! I have no limits! Whoever my opponent, their might is nothing compared to mine! I will crush them! And Kakarot! When the androids are dust, you can be sure that I will be coming for you